Tom Lee, the superstar analyst on Wall Street working for them, they hired someone from BlackRock, co-founder of Ethereum itself. So this is like all-star team. I'm going to DCA into it. These things are just super bullish for Ethereum treasury. Okay, let's get to some of these crypto stocks. So one that has been spoken about a lot is SBET. SBET has made a big pullback right now. And that's okay. That's okay, because basically not everything goes up in a straight line. SBET is basically the number one, the top Ethereum treasury out there right now. But there's a few things about SBET I'd like to bring up for folks here. So first of all, SBET has what they call PIPE investors. They got in around an average price of about $5.50. So a lot of private investors got private placements over the counter deals. Like on the 20th of May, they got in at about $2.95. On the 30th of May, they got in at $6.15. So on average, they got in at about $5.50. They got in and it took off. So they could be doing some selling, but however, I don't think they're into crypto stocks because they want a safe 2x return. I think they want something like this as well. So I'm expecting pullback and a big wave up, something like that. I thought I should tell you guys about the PIPE just in case people panic. Theoretically, if they got in at around 550, they could sell here and still make 3 or 4x, 5x profits. That's the one thing to be concerned about. The big thing for ETH right now is staking. And SEC is not giving their opinion on this just yet. I think SEC is waiting for Trump's speech, which is to be delivered sometime in the next 24 hours. Right, July 30th, he's going to deliver a speech on crypto strategy for the White House. And when he does so afterwards, I think staking will be approved. And if staking is approved, then a lot of ETH coins will be staked after that. So these things are just super bullish for Ethereum treasury, and SBET is kind of like the main ETH treasury right now. They hired someone from BlackRock, one of the core executives from BlackRock with 20 years experience. That guy is called Joseph Shalom, and he's had 20 plus years at BlackRock, mainly in digital assets, strategy, and operation. I mean, the other founder is Joseph Lubin, who used to work at Goldman Sachs, but he is the co-founder of Ethereum itself. And he's got like 10 years plus at Consensus. Consensus is the company that builds your MetaMask wallets. So this is like, an all-star team. Okay, now this is Bitminer. Mine is also something that I really like. I've spoken about it a lot. I bought a little bit in the 40s around here, right? But now it's dropped to here. And for folks who are in my Discord or who have been watching my videos, I said it's going to do a gap close. I said it's going to come down to this low 30s area. Right now, we just hit 32, 31 because of this gap close. If it goes even further, I don't think they'll close this gap because this gap close is around $4. I mean, that's like as if all this good news didn't happen at all. So they're basically gonna, if we do push lower, then around this $21 area would be the ultimate bottom if it does go there. Tom Lee, the superstar analyst on Wall Street working for them now as the chairman as well. So I think Bitmine should do well. I'm going to DCA into it starting at this 32, 31 level. Not financial advice, folks. Right now, the chances are we're going to retest, I would say, this high 3500s area, right? Probably with a wick below. If we can manage to close above, great. If not, then we're in some real trouble. Then we could even retest this 3300 area. I'm not thinking about that right now. I still think that's the least likely probability. Nothing I can say is 100%. So basically, something like this, high 35, like 3580s, 3590, most likely get retested. Because why would you go to this high, right, drawing all the bulls who are buying the confirmation, even got a close above at a new high point, and then you bring it down, right? It's sucked in a lot of bulls and longs here, right, and then bring it down. So basically, games are being played, so there's a little bit more chopping here. But timing wise, in terms of the timing, I'm not expecting much more chop because again, we don't have that much time for a blow off top. We are coming in. We need, I think, Bitcoin and crypto and Ethereum and probably the Nasdaq will top somewhere between September and November. If that's the case, then we don't have a lot of time to screw around. I mean, it'll be August in a couple of days, and then we just need to go straight from here. Still have a lot of ground to cover, even though there's only like 6 to 10 weeks left.